Every recruiter knows this feeling, drowning in applications that all look the same, wondering if the right candidate is buried somewhere in the pile. Your ATS is stuck playing keyword matching instead of finding real talent. The volume is overwhelming. And by the time you discover someone isn't the right fit, you have already invested hours of your team's time. Meet JusRecruit, an all-in-one AI recruitment platform. JusRecruit is designed to help you find, identify, and interview for a faster time to hire. Start by telling us what you're looking for. Set up your phone screen to run automatically. Saina Our AI hiring copilot pulls context from the JD and the resume to understand if a candidate is a good fit early on. When you need deeper insights, Saina conducts structured interviews that probe candidates with deeper questions.
You used both SQL Server and MySQL in your project. Why did you use two databases?
You get consistent scorecards with video clips. Review it whenever it's convenient for your schedule.
Welcome to the interview, Vinayak. We're really excited to start. Please say hi.
If you need to move quickly, access our pre-screened talent pool ready for human interviews. You can add custom assessment steps to define the pipeline as you desire. On top of that, our inbuilt ATS moves everything forward. Drag and drop candidates to different stages. The outcome: your time to hire reduces by 60%. You save 23 hours for each hire. Your team only interviews candidates who are a good fit and genuinely interested. JusRecruit makes smart hiring simple. No fluff, just talent. From the team behind HireHunch. Request a demo or join our early access and start with your most critical open role.